Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram dislike button feature 2026. As of 2026, Instagram does not have a dislike button for post or reel content. Instead, the platform has officially rolled out a private downvote button for the comment section. This feature is designed to help users flag unhelpful or negative comments to improve the overall quality of conversations. Now, to use the comment, dislike, or downvote button, all you have to do is go ahead and open your comments and locate a downward pointing arrow or sometimes a thumbs down icon. Locate it right next to the heart icon, or you could even say like icon. It is not available in mine because this feature is currently only available in few of the regions. However, it is not in my region, so it might not show here, but it should be available to you over here. Now, once you tap on this arrow, it signals to Instagram that the comment is unhelpful, irrelevant, or offensive, and your action is completely private. The comment author is not notified, and there is no public discount like and there is no public dislike count visible to others. And that is how you use it, guys. If you have any questions or queries now, please do comment down below. I'll see you on the next one.